On number 14 of the Times 50 Most Desirable Men 2010, we have the ever-popular singer-performer Atif Aslam. The speed with which Atif has risen to stardom speaks volumes of his caliber. जिस तरह से इनके लिए live performances में audience totally out of control हो जाती है, speaks for his pull as a performer. और जिस तरह से इनकी आवाज को सुनकर लड़कियां दीवानी हो जाती हैं एक अलग ही दुनिया में. Proof enough for the magical effect the voice of Atif Aslam has. Atif की albums, उनके stage shows are always a sellout. इतनी कम उम्र में इतनी शोहरत और प्यार जिसने पाया है, उसकी desirability पर कोई शक होना ही नामुमकिन है. Atif may be all about his singing and voice, but as a face too, this guy wins hands down as a handsome man, a charming vibe of a cute lover boy. अपने म्यूजिक वीडियोस में कभी intensely romantic, कभी live wire energetic. Atif ने हमेशा खुद को किसी स्टार से कम प्रोजेक्ट नहीं किया, and he deserves every moment of his glory. Making his debut on the Times 50 Most Desirable Men 2010, Atif is way above many of his fellow contenders at number 14. From Ceylon to stardom in Bollywood, Jacqueline Fernandez, the beauty queen from Sri Lanka. और अब Bollywood की एक super hot property. Jacqueline is tempting. She's gorgeous, has a smile that's worth 1,000,000 watts, and a body that set 1,000,000 hearts racing in an instant. This package of desire made an entry into Bollywood with Aladdin. इस फिल्म में रितेश देशमुख के ऑपोजिट इन्होंने काम किया, और फिर इनकी अगली फिल्म भी रितेश के ही साथ थी. अगर अलादीन और जाने कहां से आई है में इन्हें ज्यादा नहीं मिला, then it was just a matter of time. और आई Houseful, एक गाना which became a rage, and Jacqueline grooving seductively was enough to make everyone crazy. Pretty hair, hot hair, or desirable hair with a very, very attractive face. Desirable woman number 14 on the Times 50 Most Desirable Women 2010 is Jacqueline Fernandez.
It's the first time I've been on a desirable list, and I think it's a great compliment. Yeah, I think it means that, there are fans out there, and that's always a great feeling. And it means your work is being appreciated and you're being noticed. So obviously it's a great feeling.